Hi guys, looking for a fun and unique way to light up your garden? Meet your Bigfoot Solar Lighting, a vintage style outdoor light that's both decorative and practical. This lantern is made of metal with a copper finish, giving it an eye-catching classic look. It features a carved Bigfoot design, making it great conversation place for your yard, patio, or garden pathway. Powered by the sun, it charges during the day and automatically light up at night. That means cords, no batteries, just clean solar energy. It's easy way to brighten your outdoor space without any hassle. Plus, it's waterproof, so whether it's raining, snowing, or sunny, you can live in outside all year round without worry. With its strong metal handle, you can hang it from a tree and shepherd's hook or fence post. It's not just a lantern; it's a charming garden decoration that brings character to your outdoor area. If you love quickly style and want to love maintenance lighting option, the Bigfoot Solar Radiant is perfect choice.